Hey, what's up you guys? Back to my channel. Today's video is 2 birds complete Clearsight and Dsrkstalker map, and I'm really excited for this one, guys. So guys, going into it, and remember guys, I'm none of the being show right now, and I got this off of Discord. So guys, let's have fun. Boom!
Tries to fly away, and the other watches it close from that wire. He says he wants to as well, but he is a liar. I'll believe it all. There's nothing I won't understand. I'll believe it all. I won't let go of your hand. Two birds on a wire. One says come on.
I love the inside of her wings. That's so pretty.
The sky is overcast, and I'm sorry. One more or one less, nobody's worried. I'll believe it all. There's nothing I won't understand. I'll believe it all. I won't let go of your hand.
I'm not wondering how they writing. I'm just wondering how they write with their nails, but at the same time, that's really hard to figure out.
Say that they're always gonna stay together, but one's never going to let go of that wire. He says that he will, but he's just a liar. Two birds on a wire. One tries to fly away, and the other watches him close from that wire. He says he wants to as well, but he is a liar.
Oh, he's going mad. Oh my god, he went mad with Power and cut in with that whole dude inside the chest out. Oh god. And now she's making a plan to get the hell out of here. Oh god. Acting like it's a little gift, but it's not.
Tries to fly away, and the other.
He dead? Or he's just asleep and she is like, she let thing go. Well guys, that was not like a mostly of an action-packed episode to not episode, but video toward the end. But what I can say about it, it shows is like if you really listen to the lyrics, it's gonna speak for itself and how what's like the emphasis on the video is. Because I like how they were showing like they are basically two lovebirds, and I guess the one is depicted as a male of course he's a liar in this story, and he's trying to keep her down because either he don't want to be alone, he's drawing power from her, or she's feeling his immense narcissistic ego, which I can see why she would stay, yes, because she feel like scared and freaked out from leaving something like that, but at the same time, no. leave in anywhere situation if the narcissist is involved. And I just really enjoy it. I just wish it was this, like most Wings of Fire map or like Dragon maps, like have a little more like dramas to it. But I guess you were supposed to focus on the raw emotion and the lyrics of the song for this one, and it had like really changed it up because you can't always have action, firing, fighting, and all that stuff. And you just have a little more of a laid back style, which I can appreciate for this one from the Canon. I cannot say the name right, so please forgive if I don't say the name right. CanineDragons, and I really did like it. And the character designs were all nice, and I like all the details. It was right. It got a little more drama to it. But we got all the drama to the end, so I like it. So guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please like, subscribe, and anyone want me to, please like, subscribe. Please comment down below. Also, I love you guys so much. If you want to check our Discord or anything like that out, it will link down below. Well, I'm trying to link all the videos down below as well. So see you guys next one. Bye guys. Sorry, this is very short. Love you guys.